Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to show you how to set up a home office that not only looks good but also boosts your productivity. Whether you're working remotely, freelancing, or just need a dedicated space for managing household tasks, these tips will help you create a comfortable and efficient workspace at home. Creating a productive home office isn't just about buying a desk and a chair, it's about finding the right balance between functionality and comfort. From the right lighting and furniture placement to choosing the right color palette, there are several elements to consider. I'll walk you through 5 steps to set up a home office that suits your style and needs. Step number 1. Choose the right location. When choosing where to set up your home office, avoid high traffic areas and look for a quiet, distraction-free space. If you don't have a separate room, consider using a corner in your bedroom or living room. Make sure you have access to natural light. Position your desk near a window if possible, as this helps reduce eye strain and boosts your mood. Step number 2. Invest in ergonomic furniture. A good office setup starts with a comfortable chair and a desk at the right height. Invest in an ergonomic chair that supports your back and posture, and choose a desk that fits your needs, whether it's for a desktop computer, laptop, or simply for paperwork. If you're short on space, consider a wall-mounted desk or a foldable option to maximize the area. Step number 3. Use proper lighting. Lighting is key for productivity and eye health. Avoid harsh overhead lights and use a combination of natural light, desk lamps, and floor lamps. Warm lighting is great for a calming effect, while cool lighting is better for focus. A simple desk lamp with an adjustable arm can be a great addition to focus light exactly where you need it. Step number 4. Add personal touches. Personalize your space with decor that inspires you, whether it's a few houseplants, framed photos, or motivational quotes. Adding greenery, in particular, can help purify the air and reduce stress levels. Keep your desktop organized with stylish storage solutions like trays, baskets, or shelving units. The goal is to create a space that's inviting and keeps you motivated. Step number 5. Keep it organized and clutter-free. Clutter can significantly reduce productivity. Use cable organizers, drawer dividers, and storage boxes to keep your desk area tidy. Create a filing system for important documents and label everything for easy access. A clean workspace helps maintain focus and ensures you can find everything you need without unnecessary distractions. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to creating a productive home office. I hope these tips help you set up a space that makes working from home a breeze. What's your favorite tip, and how do you plan to implement it? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home improvement tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.